Welcome to this tutorial of the Yang style 8 form. It will be done with my back to you, so this will be your right and this will be your left. Let's start. Nice and relaxed. And we commence. Step out to the left, balance, arms come up, arms go down. Lower the right hand, turn to the side. Both palms face up, look to the front and push forward. Lower the left hand, turn to the side, palms face up, look to the front and push forward. Shift your hands and weight to the right. Turn to the left, step out for brush knee 1. Sit back, turn to the front, bring up your left hand, prepare, turn to the right, step for brush knee 2. Sit back, turn to the front, hold the ball with the right hand on top. Turn to the left, step, part the wild horse's mane 1. Sit back, turn to the front, hold the ball with the left hand on top, turn to the right, step, part the wild horse's mane 2. Shift back and lift up your left hand, bring in your right hand and foot for cloud hands 1. Finish the movement. Change hands, transfer your weight back to the right. Step out to the left, change hands, transfer your weight over. When you get there, transfer your weight back and the left foot comes in. Change hands, transfer your weight back. Change hands, step out to the right. Transfer your weight over. When you get there, change hands, transfer your weight back and lift up the right hand and foot. Golden cock stands on one leg 1. Lower the hand. Lift up, golden cock stands on one leg 2. Lower the foot. Cross hands, lift up, prepare, and right heel kick. Lower the foot. Cross hands, lift up, prepare, and left heel kick. Lower the foot. Hold the ball with the left hand on top. Turn to the right. Step. Block. Grasp the bird's tail. Lift up. Pull down. Hands join up. Press forward. Separate the hands. Embrace the tiger and push the mountain. Sit back. Turn to the front. Hold the ball with the right hand on top. Turn to the left. Step. Block. Reach up. Pull down. Hands join up. Press forward. Separate the hands. Embrace the tiger and push the mountain. Sit back. Turn to the front. Open up with the right hand and foot. Hand and foot come in, cross hands, rise up, separate the hands, lower the hands. Step in and finish.